meteorologist Lucas McGuire. I am going to walk through the impacts of today's system here in Missouri. We should be expecting the system to move in tonight. About 6 o'clock, we should be seeing some cloud cover with maybe some light rainfall starting to impact our region. But before we get into the timing and how much and everything, I do want to talk about what's going on right now. And right now, we can see that we're just about at 44 degrees Fahrenheit, and our humidity is pretty low. It's 70%. With our winds have been about 5 miles per hour, and then gusting up to even 10 miles per hour at times. It is sunny outside. You might see a glare on this side of my face from my window. All we're seeing right now is upper level clouds, and we can see that here on this satellite imagery. If we look to the west, we can see a front with all these clouds and then this direct, pretty significant cutoff line, if you will, and dry behind it. This is our next system that's going to impact us tonight. And so if we look at the radar along with this, we can see about along with that same cloud band that we've seen, we're seeing a band of rain and then some precip up here on the backside of what we are going to call a cold front. And there's also, since it is a low pressure system, we are seeing a warm front and a cold front along with it. Your warm front would be kind of branched off here to the east, maybe even reaching in northern Missouri at this time. We are in what we call the warm sector of it right now. And so what that means is we are kind of to the east of this pressure system. So um, right now, that low pressure is actually over here in southern Nebraska, northern Kansas. So what you're seeing here on the screen right now is forecasted location and precip type and kind of the chance likeliness of each different type of precip. This is at 6 o'clock this evening. And right now it's looking like that center of low pressure is going to be located directly above Kansas City. And we are going to have this warm front that's branched off, cutting Missouri, the southwest portion of Missouri off, in the cold front that's kind of right at the border of western Missouri. So what's going to happen is we have a chance of rain to begin right around that 6 o'clock time, take or give an hour or so, depending on if this system slows down, speeds up for any reason at all. And uh, up to the north, we shouldn't worry about any frozen precip. Our friends to the north is going to take that for us if they even see it themselves. The system you've seen in the radar, there wasn't a whole lot of rain with it. And the system's actually going to dissipate a little bit as it does move uh, towards the east. And overall, it's going to weaken as it moves even east of us. But about this midnight, around midnight tonight, we're going to see this low pressure system somewhere between 6 p.m. and 12 tonight. This whole system is going to be occluding. And so what our occlusion means, so it's indicated by this purple line with this triangle and half circle. Um, and what happens with our occlusion is this cold front actually catches up with our warm front. And this causes the whole storm system to actually weaken a little bit. We still see these chances of rain. Um, and like I said, the frozen precip will stay well north of central Mo, but we will see this chance of rain. It's not going to be like the rain that we seen last night. Last night's rain, we got about a tenth of an inch. Uh, that's not going to be the case tonight. We're going to see maybe a hundredth or two of an inch of rain. It's not going to produce much rainfall. Therefore, our impacts are very minor. And then by about 6 a.m. on Monday morning, our whole system and precip along with it is going to be well off to the east into the Ohio River Valley, and we are going to see high pressure start to build in. But actually, as we move about 12 hours later, which will be about 6 p.m. on Monday night, Monday evening, we should see another system, but well off to the north this time. And that's not going to impact us very much. You can see that the chance of rain actually doesn't even extend into central Missouri. Everything precip wise should stick to the north. But our friends up in the northern states might have a chance of some snow, which is nice. I'd love to see some snow, but we're going to have to wait just a little bit for that. And then by Tuesday morning, so um, overnight on Tuesday, no, overnight on Monday night, we're going to see uh, a cold front. And then through the day on Tuesday, what's going to happen is we're going to see our uh, clouds clear out. We're going to see a clearer night on Tuesday night, which means our temperatures are actually going to cool down more than they have been. Um, these are the same temperatures. I haven't changed them since yesterday, um, but they haven't changed too much. Therefore, the same ballpark numbers can be used for the purpose of this in particular video. Um, so today, if we do warm up 250, I'd be surprised, but the sun is out and we still have maybe another hour or two of warming. And this time of year, we don't warm into the evening because we don't get as much incoming radiation. But our lows should stick in the 30s, and our highs through the next couple of days should be in the next or in the upper 40s. I said that on Tuesday we're going to clear out and see um, those lows, overnight lows, get into the 20s. It's going to be a pretty chilly morning on Wednesday, and then starting Wednesday, we should see that warming trend begin. And thank you for watching.